What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave and this is Hudson Moto, and today we are testing the sound and the new camera that I got for motovlogging. So I picked up the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro with this, the Mic Mini, and I'm gonna set this up wirelessly and motovlog with it. Now this little mic right here is going to sit inside the helmet. It has a little magnetic thing right here in the back, and I took magnetic tape and I actually put it inside the helmet, and this sticks right to it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get that sound for you. Now, disclaimer, I am holding this mic really close to my mouth right now. It is at -12 dB with the noise cancellation off. Once I put the mic inside the helmet, it might sound a little bit louder. So let's give you a first sound check of this. Alright, here we are in the garage. Now, we are not going to go out. There's salt on the road. I don't want to take this beautiful Aprilia out and have to clean it off later. So, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do the sound test in the garage. So right now, the settings on here are, like I said, the mic is -12 dB and the noise reduction is off right now. Now, I gotta put the decimals to 0, but like I said, the mic is really close to my mouth right now. So, you're gonna be cutting off, you're gonna get peaking, you're gonna get all that stuff that you don't want, and it won't sound good. But, I have a feeling it sounds good right now, but the bike is off. What does it sound like when the bike is running? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to give 3 sound tests. We're going to do one with the noise reduction off at -12, one with the noise reduction low, and one with the noise reduction on high. Now what I love about this setup, I don't need the transmitter. I could hook the mic up directly to the Osmo Action 5, and I don't need the transmitter here. And the second mic is connected to the transmitter, so if I ever want to take out the Sony camera, all I have to do is hook this in, bada bing, bada boom, realest guy in the room, it's all hooked up already. Let's give it a sound with the bike on, and like I said, the first test will be -12, noise reduction off. Let's get a cold start and let's see how it sounds. Make sure I'm in neutral. Alright, out. And I'm going to just get on the bike and let's see how it really sounds when I'm on the bike. So I adjusted my camera and position. This is basically how I will be riding and what it sounds like. And this is idle right now, so I'm not gonna rev it up or anything. And like I said, this is on -12, and it's the setting for noise cancellation is off. I've been watching a lot of videos, been doing my own research. Recently picked Osmo Action 5 a couple weeks ago, and I've been playing around with the settings. I haven't been able to get to the bike and really test the sound out. But like I said, right now, there are a few things that you do have to set up on the Osmo 5 and on the mic. But right now, this is what it actually sounds like when it's -12 gain and no noise cancellation. Alright guys, now we are back. I am in the same position that I left you. We are right next to the Aprilia right here. we're going to start it up again. Now this time, like I said, it's on 12 and noise reduction low. So let's give it a start, and we are going to give it a listen and see if it's better off with noise reduction low. We'll just try to give you a little comparison at a standstill and see what it sounds like. So again, this is -12, noise reduction low. Let's give it a sound. Alright, so how does it sound right now? Like I said, the exhaust is right here. I'm in the same position when I started. Yes, the bike is a little warmed up now, so maybe it does sound a little lower in tone, but I'm going to get on the bike and give you a sound test. And right now, like I said, this is -12 and it's noise reduction low. So this mic has 2 noise reduction things. So right now it is in low. And this is what it sounds like when it's on low noise reduction. Alright, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to put it on high. Alright guys, we're back again. Now, this time we are on noise reduction high. We're still on -12 dB. Especially when the mic is this close to my mouth, is the best you will get with actual not peaking the sound. Now, the other thing is that you are combating the background noise too. Like I said, is -12. And now it is noise reduction high. So let's start back up the bike and see if you prefer it like this. Alright, again, now I am still standing in the same position, and again, this is noise reduction on high for the DJI Mic Mini. Now, will I keep it like this? Will I turn it off completely or keep it on low? What I've noticed with a lot of with this microphone, especially because a lot of people have been doing this test like I am, the exhaust doesn't really sound right. It gets like this drony sound. So maybe it's like that right now. But let's get back on the bike and we'll see what it sounds like when I'm on the bike. Alright. I'm in the position now I'll be riding. How does it sound? Let's get off the bike again and let me talk to you real quick. Hey guys, what do you think? I mean, the sound test, yes, I'm in the garage. Yes, I didn't go out for a ride. But just turning on the noise cancellation and keeping it at -12, how does it sound? What did you prefer? Was it the noise reduction off, low, or high? Comment below. Just listening to other people's videos that did this same kind of test, yes, they took their bike out on the road. When it's on high or it's on low, you get this drony sound of the bike. And you don't get the real sound of any pipe. So I'm gonna have to go look at the footage, and at the end I'll kind of decide what I like. So anyway guys, if you like today's video, this is a new setup for me. If you like the sound, you like the picture, please hit that like button. Also comment below what's your setup, and if you do hit the like button and you do hit subscribe, please consider hitting that bell notification. When I upload something good, YouTube will let you know. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.